What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today I have a whole bunch of tabs open for you. So let's get on with the show. First up, over at eBay, we have a Milwaukee 18 volt fuel hacksaw. And this thing is always normally close to $200. If you hack this deal with, I forgot what it comes with over at Home Depot, I think the whole hog, and you get this, you end up getting this for $107, but you got to buy both. In order to avoid doing all that, you could just buy this for $108.99 and call it a day. Now, the thing to consider with this is you're not going to have a full-blown 5-year warranty, because I highly doubt these people are authorized resellers. Fortunately, with Milwaukee products, they'll still warrant the tools based off of the serial number, so that helps you out, but just keep that in mind. You are getting it wildly cheaper, but you're not going to have this full 5-year manufacturer warranty. But even if it was 3 years, that's still the same as DeWalt and Makita and everybody else. So I like this deal. $108.99. There you have it. Don't forget your Rakuten up here in the upper right-hand corner. You get 1% cash back, and you get a $30 sign-up bonus when you sign up using the link in the description. If you don't use the link, you won't get the $30. So there's that. Moving on over to Tools Plus. We have this Metabo HPT rotary hammer drill. Big boy. $289.33. Now, just so you know how good of a deal this is, let's go to Lowe's. Yes, it's $649 there. Let's go to Acme Tools. They're usually a happy little medium at $419, but still nothing's beating the $289.33. Now, the reason it's $289.33 is because it's an open box. That's still brand new. I called them, and I actually bought mine from there. Literally, what the open box means is someone opened it, looked at it, and put it back in the box, and now they discount them. This does not have a lifetime warranty, even though if you read the literature on their website, at least if you did a year ago, it said that it does. But when you get the tool, it'll tell you plain as day on the box it has a 1-year warranty. So keep that in mind. This has a 1-year warranty. I don't like that. I do like Milwaukee and other, mainly the Milwaukees. I like their rotary hammer drills. I feel like those are in better competition, but they're more expensive, but they do have 5-year warranties. So there you go with that. Moving on back over to Lowe's. This is a deal of the day, and this thing has 67 wrenches. They're all ratcheting wrenches, and some of them have articulating heads. I showed you the gear wrenches yesterday. If you didn't see that video, check it out. I usually pops up in the upper right-hand corner after like the 6-minute mark. And those were $72. I can't remember how. I think it was like maybe 12 pieces, 12 articulating head ratcheting wrenches for $72. $389. I feel like it's a bit much. I don't know that this is truly $260 off. $389 to me still is a bit much, but I'm showing it to y'all because that's a big chunk off, and do you? I don't know. I'm move on. Moving on, we got Ryobi days. It's actually been live for almost 2 weeks, but I haven't talked about it. But I do like this deal when it pops up. This $99 for these two 4-amp-hour battery starter kit. I don't think it comes with a bag or anything. And these are not high output batteries. It's like regular 4-amp-hour batteries. But I know, like in my vacuum, it performs the same. It has pretty much the same runtime too. So with most of these tools, it'll be pretty much the same. Now let's look at the tools that you get, because you got some pretty decent ones in here. You have this hedge trimmer if you want to go that route. 22-inch hedge trimmer. So, $99 for two 4-amp-hour batteries and this trimmer. That's a great deal. This blower, I don't like at 200 CFM. You have an impact driver. I wouldn't be buying no Ryobi impact driver. This planer, if you're not going to be using it all crazy a lot, I would go this route. I did, and I actually bought it using this deal, and I think I only paid around $40 to $60 or something for it. I don't remember exactly. They have a plunge saw for $99. That ratchet, I still don't like it because its butt's so big. I like big booties, but not on my tools. So I'm not fond of that. But y'all like it because her head rotates. Its head rotates. So, again, do you. So impact wrench, no. End grinder, no. Wouldn't do it. Circuit saw, no. Sander, no. The fixed base router, maybe. That's up to you. I don't know. I wouldn't do it, but again, that's not terrible. I love these fans. I love this fan. I actually bought this as a whole kit. I just paid the $99 and kept the four batteries. I mean the 4-bar batteries, and got the fan. I was happy with that purchase. This fan has been amazing. Y'all hear me always rant and rave about that fan. It's super quiet. I wouldn't do any of these. I'm curious of this scrubber though. Let's go ahead and hack this scrubber, see what that is. Because I would love if it was the one that came on the pole. I'm just hitting y'all all the little innuendos today. I like the one that I like them on the pole. You know what I'm saying? The one on the pole, it just reaches up higher. But I feel like having, even though it would do that on the pole too, but I feel like having this close to my face like this, I'm going to get a lot of splash back. I don't want none of that splashing on my face. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's going on today, but I'm telling the truth. I feel like this would be a lot of kickback. And imagine like scrubbing toilets or something like that because it got a little rust ring. Ew. Wear a mask. Anyway, I think I might do this though. I'm about to see how much that costs if we hack it. But let's just see what else we have. And speakers. That would have been interesting to see how those sound. They look weird. All right. So moving back, let's go and let's just hack this one thing right here. Let's see. Not hack, but let's just see what it costs and when we add them to the cart. If this is like $39, I'm gonna bite. Dang, $40, I guess I gotta bite. I mean, we talking about change, so $40.66. We'll see how that works. Moving on. I spent way too much time on all the Ryobis. All right, over at Ace Hardware, we have these Milwaukee Pliers. And I actually found this on Slick Deals. It's usually, I think it's on sale at Home Depot for like $17. But I mean, hey, 14 is cheaper than 17. I love these pliers. I'm curious of why this is not like completely 5 stars, but I have 2 pairs of these and one of them cuts weird. One of them always leaves some debris, doesn't cut well at all. And then I have my other pair though, cut. I mean, they're the best pliers I've ever used, the best wire cutters. And so, I don't know. Again, Milwaukee, hit or miss with these, but just test them out. If it's not cutting well, just take it back and go get another one because when they are working properly, they cut really, really well. I mean, it's my favorite wire strippers of all time, and I've had a lot of them over the years. But when they working though, because like I said, this pair I just bought was not good. Moving on, we have this Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer. Now, this bug spray. This does nothing for spiders, okay? Spiders just laugh. They just like, it's just a shower for the spiders. They just dance in it. But everything else, this joint is handling just fine. Now, I'm bringing this up. I'm showing this to you on Slick Deals and why I encourage you to sign up for Slick Deals. Use the link in the description. It won't cost you anything. Actually, it could cost you a lot if you don't sign up because you'll lose money. But I like this price intelligence thing that they have, and it shows you the deal histories kind of like Honey does on Amazon. And it'll show you that on Amazon a year ago, a little over a year ago, this was $7.10. And then 2 years ago, this was $6.68 at Walmart. Whenever I need to go buy this at Walmart, it ain't no 7 nothing. So I just want to show you guys this. And usually during this time of year, this is when you go buy this. But yeah, $7.97. Good deal there. Funny story. My ex calls me and was like, "Oh, it's a moth problem in the house. I've been spraying. I used the Raid." And I'm like, "Raid? You went and bought some Raid?" She was like, "No, the Raid you had in the basement." I'm like, I don't buy Raid. And I'm like, I don't remember the name of the thing, but clearly, I'm looking at it right now. Raid. Sometimes you gotta just laugh to not have a heart attack, y'all. It's Raid. I'm looking at it now. It says Raid. Okay. All right. Anyway, moving on. Home Depot. We have some Carbide Blades. $10.97 for these 5 teeth per inch. Right there, $10.97. That's pretty much half off, isn't it? Almost, yeah. Good deal there. And then you have some other ones. Another 9-inch with 6 TPI, also $12.97. Wait, this is $10.97, right? Yeah. So these are $12.97, also almost half off. More teeth per inch, so this will cut through more material a little bit better than the other ones. Right, and you can also see that here. You can also look and see what they'd be good for. The more teeth you have in these blades, the cleaner the cut will be. So if you had tried to cut some PVC pipe, for example, with a 4 TPI or less blade, then it will be it will require a lot of deburring around the edges. If you use one with more teeth than 6, something super fine, it will be a smooth cut. It will require less deburring, but it'll also cut slower. So you're looking for a happy little balance there. And then there you go. So moving on, we have, I already had this up. I'm going to show you, but this drywall cutout tool, and it's on a buy one, get one. So you buy the tool, you get a free 2 amp hour battery. I don't like that 2 amp hour battery personally. But if you add them both to the cart, this tool breaks down to be $72.99, which is a fantastic deal for that M18 drywall cutout tool right there. Moving on, in my St. Louis voice, I also found this on Slick Deals, and well, actually not quite at Acme Tools. It was like at Woodstock or something like that. But at Acme Tools, this is also $19. It's more than half off. All right, so 19, and we have a few other Craig items over at Acme Tool. We have this cabinet door mounting jig for also $19. And then we also have this portable crosscut for $9. So don't forget, also at Acme Tools, you have your Rakuten. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells so you don't miss any other deals. And I will see you guys next time. Buy some merch.